Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ranch dressing for wings. First, let's build our creamy base. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of fresh buttermilk. These two are the heart of any great ranch. Then, for an extra layer of richness and a lovely tang, add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Whisk these wet ingredients together thoroughly until they are perfectly smooth and well combined. This ensures a consistent texture for your delicious dressing. Now, let's infuse our dressing with those iconic ranch flavors using a blend of herbs and spices. Start with 1 teaspoon each of dried parsley, dried dill, and dried chives. These are essential for that fresh, herbaceous taste. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to give it a savory depth. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of salt. Remember, you can always adjust the salt later to your preference. With all your ingredients ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully fold the dry herb and spice blend into your creamy base. Use a spatula or whisk, mixing just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the dressing too thin or break down the emulsion. Once mixed, cover your ranch dressing and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen, creating a truly irresistible dressing. Your homemade ranch dressing is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it chilled, as its cool creaminess perfectly complements hot, crispy chicken wings. Don't forget to offer some fresh celery and carrot sticks for a refreshing crunch alongside your wings. If you have any delicious dressing left over, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days, ready for your next snack or meal. Enjoy your amazing homemade ranch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.